Alright, so we've downloaded the free Osiris Android app from the Google Play Store. Now we're going to run it for the first time, and we're taken to the login screen. Now we're going to register as a new user of the app. So we enter our email address. Then we enter a password, which does not need to be the same as your email password. Then we enter our first name. Then we enter our last name. Okay, so we've entered our email, a password for the app, and our name. We click register. It says thank you for registering. Now we're going to go to the settings page and register our new unit. And this is how you register an Osiris, a Trident, or a Poseidon. Simply look at the card that comes with your unit and enter the serial number and access code from the card. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and we click send. It says unit registered, and we are taken back to the settings menu. Now we're going to connect the unit to our home Wi-Fi network. And today, as an example, we'll just be showing you how to connect Osiris 807. So we'll connect the unit to my Wi-Fi. Now it's going to ask you to allow permissions if you've got a newer version of Android. If you've got older versions of Android, it won't ask you this. But simply, it'll say, please allow permissions so the app can set up your unit. So we click allow. And now allow Osiris to make and manage phone calls. That's only if you call a plumber. Allow Osiris to access your contacts. That's only, that's not even relevant here. And then allow Osiris to access the device's location. Just basically your rough geographical area. We say allow. Okay, we've allowed permissions. Now we're going to select our Wi-Fi network. And then we click on our home Wi-Fi network, which in this case is NetFrog, and we'll be connecting Osiris to NetFrog. Then we enter our Wi-Fi password. Okay, so we've entered our Wi-Fi password. We select our country from the drop-down list, and then we enter our zip or postal code. Now we click start. Now, please turn off any running water in your home, including your swimming pool fill valve. We say done. Now, we go ahead and unplug Osiris from the wall, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. So we say done. Now we're going to wait 15 seconds for Osiris to boot up, and then we will connect to Osiris's Wi-Fi network. Now, if you have an older version of the Android phone, it will connect to the Osiris Wi-Fi network automatically. If you have a newer version of the Android phone, specifically Oreo or Pi, then it may prompt you with this. And in this case, we're going to need to go to the Wi-Fi manager and manually connect to the Osiris network for security reasons. So the instructions are go to your Wi-Fi manager, connect to Osiris 807, and then press the triangle key in the Wi-Fi manager to go back to the app. So all we have to do is say go to Wi-Fi. Now we should see the Osiris network come up. Normally it would already be up. Okay, and so we see the Osiris network here, and normally it would already be in the list, so we click on Osiris 807. Alright, now our phone is connected to Osiris 807, and then per the instructions, all we need to do is click the triangle key to go back. Okay, so we successfully sent our data to Osiris. Now we're waiting 45 seconds for Osiris to connect to our home Wi-Fi network. And as you can see, that was very easy. It was just 2 clicks. We went to our Wi-Fi manager, we clicked on Osiris, and then we clicked the triangle key to go back. So all you have to do is do 2 clicks. Now, once again, if you've got a newer version of Android like Oreo or Pi, we might have to do that one more time. The older versions of Android, that'll be automatic. So we'll see. We might have to go into the Wi-Fi manager one more time. But again, it's just 2 clicks. So we'll wait the 45 seconds. Okay, and once again, we're prompted to go into the Wi-Fi manager and do the exact same thing again. So I'm going to go into the Wi-Fi manager. And again, in this, Osiris would normally already be up, and you'd see it here. Okay, so we see Osiris. Now, once again, only 2 things. Click Osiris. Okay, we're connected, and click the triangle key to go back. Okay, so Osiris is connected to the internet. Please leave your water off for the next 2 minutes, and then we click done. And we're all set, and our Osiris should start reporting water data in, I think, about 45 minutes, and then you should be all set like normal. And if you ever need to rerun this process, you can always simply go back to connect my unit to Wi-Fi, and then set Osiris up on whatever new Wi-Fi network you have. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions at all, please contact us.